You want to watch things, man.
Just help me out.
Oh wait, why do we look so far?
Yeah, I just haven't been doing this YouTube thing properly.
What do you mean? What, maybe we're too cold. What do you need?
I just told you I need some dark lipstick.
Okay, well here, use the color that I used the other day that everybody liked. No, not that.
And then I need some dark blush. Ooh!
Are you ready to at least say hello?
Wait, no. I don't want to say hello till I'm fixed up and beautiful.
This is pretty dark.
Ah, that's good.
Right. And then you can start with this. Are you ready to say hello now?
No, wait.
You're just gonna ignore YouTube?
Pretty much till I'm ready.
Wow, okay.
Okay, come on.
Maybe we could go back a little bit too.
Whoa, this lipstick is dark.
You said you wanted a dark lipstick.
I mean, you just listen, eh?
Oh, what a very boring start to a YouTube video. Don't worry guys, it's going to get better. It's going to get better. I'm just waiting on Diva here to say hello. Wow, that's pretty dark, eh?
I feel like I ate crusty body.
What? Crusty body dark like that?
Or that I smoked cigarettes for the past 13 years.
Alright, let's go a different. Maybe you can switch it out to this one.
That's why it's the gold, let me put it on top.
This one? I wouldn't know what crusty body lips look like. But you go, girl. Go.
That's not true.
Crusty body. I don't know nothing about no crusty body lips.
That's not true.
We just got demonetized. Are you ready now? Actually, no, we're late for Instagram too.
Oh my goodness.
Look at yourself. Look at yourself. No.
I'm looking at myself.
No, look at yourself in the mirror.
Oh. It looks so good on you.
Yeah, go back with the chair a little bit.
Oi.
Alright, now do we finally get to say hello?
No.
Alright, Jodi, hello.
Hi.
Oh no, almost late. That's because Tracy is over here on YouTube being rude.
Sorry.
She's over on YouTube being very rude. Hello everybody and welcome to another episode of Tuesdays with Tricky, where we take your mind off of what's going on outside the cupboard and bring you in here for an hour of fun, frolic and foolishness.
So
no, I want it to look down in my breast. A joke.
I mean, I just find that these Modish clothing people have been giving me everything that's boobylicious.
Yes, the people at Modish like my boobies. Alright everybody. We are looking gorgeous in our outfits from Modish. Remember that they're at the Shoppies of Southdale.
The Shoppie, did you drive past there?
I went into the Shoppies. It's in the Shoppies.
Oh, it's so nice.
I know, it's very fine. It's no one way.
It's not one way?
Yes. You drove in the outgate?
No, I just drove by.
Oh. So you can check out these beautiful
Okay, I drove in outgate.
I know you drove in outgate.
Sorry.
The Shoppies, shop number 1 at the Shoppies of Southdale. You can check out Modish Boutique. They have fun, trendy items. Tracy has on a maxi dress, which is
I shall model for you.
Highlight the booty. Watch your Charlotte move the chair. Hello, everybody. So it has a triangle top, which floats long in the back. And actually, with this, if you want, you could wrap it around again. Then a little tie here. We don't need to see the stitches from your wart.
Sorry.
And then it has a looping hair and a long flowing dress.
And because I'm breastfeeding, it's easy to...
Whoa. Okay.
Sorry.
I am back again in my titty tops.
Oh, and I have a slit, FYI.
So it's a one piece. So the sleeves are actually attached, which was a question I was asked at Lady Bee Mixology when I went to pick up my delicious beverage today. So it's a one piece, A-tied. And what I was saying too is that if I felt a little bit too naked, I would have switched it around and put this in the front. It comes with a little short, but I've lost some weight, so it's loose. Ooh. You see, I'm ready to go to Cabana City. I'm ready for a breakfast party. I'm ready for...
I don't just call it pee-pee.
Outside to be open. Oh. What's happening?
I'm just setting up.
Alright, our cousin Kevin is here. Somebody asked me how the Peloton bike was going. It's going good. I need to, you know, be a little bit more dedicated. I had stopped working out for a while just because it was summer and I couldn't get the kids on a schedule, but they're back at school now. So, yeah, started working out. Okay, so the first thing, me just take one taste off of this and it tastes good.
Oh.
This is a Just Peachy Passion from Lady Bee Mixology. Wow.
You don't want to open my juice for me?
I tell you, don't say, how am I going to open that?
I thought you were a thug. You don't just rip it with your teeth.
No, I'm not a thug. Not with my teeth. I only have one set.
But you have jewels on your teeth.
That doesn't make me a thug.
That's a thug indicator.
No.
Why do we not have a bottle opener in the closet?
I'm a thug. I use anything at all to open a bottle. All right.
God.
Thank you. And look good, sir. Yes, at Modish Boutique, keeping us nice and cute and round and sexy.
Thank you, Ivy. This is one of my friends sent this little present for me. This was from my first photo shoot with Stevie. Stevie's first photo shoot, and one of my friends sent me that picture.
Yeah, oh, somebody was the same picture in the back. It's so today's video that I filmed was a mail pack haul. So I opened about 25 packages I've been saving up for a little while. And this was something that came in the package. So, you know, I was pleasantly surprised. I'm like, what is this? What you got? This is good.
This is grapefruit rosemary.
That's my favorite flavor.
It's very good. This is a hard cider by Lady Bee Mixology. And this flavor is grapefruit rosemary. And I think this is my favorite flavor.
Really?
Yeah.
You like the tamarind, Tino?
I did?
Yeah. Tamarind or that?
This one is more tart. The tamarind was more sweet.
Because I like the grapefruit roll.
Yeah, it has a tart.
Lady Bee Mixology, are you gonna do another pop-up soon? Like, honestly? Peachy Passion has Moscato, champagne, vodka, freshly squeezed peaches, tangy passion fruit, freshly cut lemon, lemongrass, topped with homemade lemonade. Now that is a recipe!
Let me taste it.
So anyway, guys, I was like, I wanted to try something new, and when best to try something new than on Tuesdays? It's tricky. So I ordered these. These are sideburns.
Oh wow! Okay.
Yeah.
Wow! We're going hard.
So I don't know, Trey. I like to change up my look. I like to do little things. Like, see, I had that. Oh, it's kind of fading. I'm gonna put a new tattoo back there again.
I know. I was just trying to fool Scott that the tattoo was real. Scott was like, it's not real.
But Sean was like, come here. What is that? So when he touched it, I was like, oh, I just did that. He's like, Jodi, come here to me. Who put that on you? I was like, I love when I feel like I'm in trouble though.
I was like, he was setting the mood.
Yes, I was like, ooh, I'm gonna get spanked. He's like, come here. Who put that on you? I'm like, oh, it's still kind of hurting, Sean. He's like, that's not real. Who drew that on you? He was more upset that somebody was touching me to draw it. But anyway. I was like, it's just a little sticker, Sean.
Who's that saying thank you for going live? Oh, Angela's Kitchen. Angela's Kitchen, thank you for coming on. But how you gonna send us no food? I'm starving. Every Tuesday I'm starving.
Alright, so let's put these on. I don't really know how. I think this is the best one to go in my outfit today. So I'm going to do right there.
Let me see. Okay.
Which one you guys think? Not this one. This one is a little bit too obnoxious. When are you going to... I'm not doing my expel. These ones are too little bit. This is not for right now. What about like just a thick sideburn look right here? It's to try.
Okay.
Alright, go with the thinner one.
If we're going to do it, let's just do it. And let's do that one.
This one?
Yeah, because your hair is thick. So that's more like it.
Alright. So, let's see.
Oh, this really tastes good.
I think you have to wet it.
Well, it's a tattoo.
I don't. It never came. Alright. It didn't come with any instructions though.
Because who doesn't know how to put on a tattoo? Even Remy knows.
So
you have to cut it. Let me deal with it.
Alright, Tracy's gonna do it. So we're going to give me sideburns. You know, always trying to make baby hair and I can't make no baby hair. Well, it's fine. I have baby hair on a stick. You don't need to wet. It's not one of those that you wet or it just.
You probably need to wet it, yeah.
Alright, hold on. Which one you do? It has to come out the side of my head.
So what? Which one do you think? Well, let me see. I'm putting it on.
Okay. No, look on this one. This is a lot.
Let me see. Okay. So this I'm going to put right there. Okay, hold on.
Right. I'm gonna get me some. It's not sideburn, it's baby hair. Me never know you could have buy baby hair online. What can't you buy online, Joe? You sure?
I think I'm gonna put this little one right here.
Okay, well, let's put the little one and let's see how it works before you put the big one.
Okay. Oh wow, hold on.
You did the wrong side. You did the wrong side. All right, put this one over here.
Okay. Wait, I need a rag. Hold on.
Use a bounty with a wet up. If I ever trying to make baby hair and I can't make no baby hair, so it's alright. It's okay.
If you want it, Amazon got it.
Amazon, I'm not cheap. I have my French store that I buy these things from. Amazon. Yes, Joe, I will.
Alright, here we go.
Okay.
And I'm gonna actually put it like kind of in your ears.
My ears are dirty?
No, they're not.
Huh?
They're not. Because I just wanted you to feel bad.
Oh, because I just cleaned them last night.
Oh, really?
Yes, I get in trouble all the Tracy. Like all the time my ears hurt me because I clean them so much. And like I put too much mineral oil in there. Let's see.
Wait now. I have to hold it for 30 seconds.
But it doesn't have any instructions.
Dog, every bubble gum wrapper had these instructions. Did you not have a childhood?
Jeez. I couldn't wait the 30 seconds though. Alright, let's see. Wow, baby, I'm so excited. It come off?
Yeah.
Let me see it.
Wait.
Okay, sorry.
Oh, this tattoo not. It's not like a high quality tattoo. Oops.
You can see all the glue.
Yeah.
Let me see.
Yeah, it's not like good quality.
Oh, great. And I just look like I have wax. Alright, scrap that.
It's not a high quality tattoo. Let's do it on Remy when she comes home.
Oh, you know why? So it's on this little plastic piece, and this plastic piece is not going to like disappear into. Man, I hate when things come from Amazon and they don't work properly.
It's not a good quality tattoo, which really sucks because I find in bubblegum the quality is even better.
Yes.
I don't know.
That really sucks. It's like basically on a piece of the paper that you use and print on the car.
Mm-hmm.
The license.
Mm-hmm. Anyway.
Okay, so let's have a little talk. Like, I have a question to ask you. So the other day I was watching.
Were you asking me or the people? Oh, what were you watching? You're watching Bachelor in Paradise? Oh my God, it's on tonight, guys. I cannot wait to watch the episode. So I was thinking with one of my Instagram friends the other day that we would start a Bachelor in Paradise chat room for Jamaicans on Clubhouse. What do you guys think?
Who is gonna listen to that?
People
People watch this show?
People watch the show. In fact, me and my Instagram buddy were gonna get it going. Next week, Tuesday, I'll tell you guys to log on. Go on, what were you thinking?
So I started to watch a live and I just got so thrown off. And the person was giving great information, but I just got so thrown off that they were using these beauty filters. And I just felt like everything she said was a lie because she was using this lie filter. And I get it, like, don't get me wrong, you know, in pictures, yeah, no, don't play with me on my filter and my Facetune. Me Facetune every single picture. But like when I come here on the live today, or I'm on my or video, or like honestly, I just feel like it's such like a.
Well, I don't know. I just kind of looked at the camera and caught myself, and I was doing this, and then I felt like I looked ugly.
But you want people to take you serious, like you're advertising something or you're talking about something that's very important to you, and then you have like these stars glittering around you, or this extra smooth skin, or we know your nose don't go like that. like, I just found it so off-putting, and I just found that I couldn't take the girl seriously, and I turned off from the live. And then I was like, is this acceptable? Like, is this...
I don't know. Is it acceptable? I feel like in 2021, it's getting to be like anything goes, really. Like, people just kind of have forgotten any... So we're soon going to just, like, be communicating through an avatar.
Yeah. But then also, too, it's like, then when I see you in real life, or you do another video and you don't have on the filter, or you do something else and you don't have on this, I'm like, ah, so she look. It's kind of like you are setting yourself up for a disappointment then, because you're trying to look like something that you're not.
Yeah, but I think that that's what life has been about consistently for the past couple of years, that everybody is trying to be something they're not. Like, everybody gets so lost in this whole Instagram world of like jets and private jets and who's on their private jet and who's wearing what belt and like tuck in your shirt to show your Gucci belt and like all of these things. Like, nobody's being real anymore. Like, I am sorry, I can't afford a private jet. Can barely afford first class. I can't afford no tucking in of this and
it's
that.
It's become
like,
the new norm. If you don't put a filter on it, you feel kind of strange. Like, I do feel, sometimes I do feel vulnerable in my stories, or even now, like, you know, especially if I'm posting something where I have on no makeup. Like the beginning of my last YouTube video, I had on no makeup. I'm sure I had boogie in my eye. And it was just such kind of like a real moment. And I'm like, I think I need people to see this. Because at one point I said to my editor, I was like, I don't know if I want this in there. And I was like, no, I need people to see that I wake up and I have boogie in my nose too. Because it's not only a relatable moment, but it lets you know that when you see all this crap that I post and I'm like, oh, in my sexy bikinis and I made my boobs a little higher in the photo, like, that's not really how it goes, you know. And I think it's very important as a, for lack of a better term, a social media influencer or a content creator, that you give that relatable real side of you as well.
Yeah, I agree. I just really feel like this color on this lipstick is working for me though.
You need a filter on that lipstick.
Why? I didn't like it at first.
It looks so much better on me. Do you guys remember when I wore that? Oh, slay! She come now, play. That wasn't cool? That wasn't cool? That wasn't cool? Alright, that wasn't cool. That wasn't cool. That wasn't cool.
Anyway, what was our word?
Filter that out. Rasclete.
This is my lipstick is from Jodi's drawer. It's from MAC, and Jodi's lipstick is.
It was on the show. Yeah, we got it as a gift, you know.
Anyway, so remember what was our word that we're gonna use that when we're gonna go to parties and have a lot of fun? It was called. We're gonna do what?
Oh, I don't know.
Jet.
Oh, we're gonna jet. We're jetting. No. What was the word last week when we're like, oh, we're gonna make this a new thing? What was it? What was it?
Boy, that cider licking me hard though.
You are just
licking me
drinking
hard.
that down.
Yeah, I'm definitely drinking that down. It's been a while. I'm not gonna lie, every Tuesday I look forward to this buzz. I look forward to
yacht
this
it? No, we weren't gonna yacht it. What were we gonna do?
Yeah.
We're gonna yacht it? Like go on my yacht it? No, man, it was something like...
No, we were jetting. We're going on our jet.
We're going to jet? Everything is a jet?
It was a jet. What was it again?
I don't know, but it sounded very fancy last week. This week...
Break down the jet. Break the jet. We're going to break the jet.
We're going to break the jet?
Yeah,
we're going to break the jet. Okay, thank
you,
Amanda. We're going to need to remember that. Yeah, okay. Well, if we're going to make it a trend, like a usage word, we need to use it.
We need to remember it. We need to remember it. Yeah, so...
Let me take a sip, because we're going to break the jet. I kind of like it.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
What? The Lady Bee or the Break the Jet?
Both.
Yeah.
Oh, have you guys had these?
No, if you have not tried Lady Bee Mixology,
we need another pop-up Lady Bee.
Yeah. How come you don't do your pop-ups more often? We need to be drunk like all the time.
Oh, man. Because I think she has to make, because
she's a mixologist. If we were drunk all the time, then nobody would have to use a filter because we just...
You were like, oh my God, she's so pretty. Oh, wait,
life is a filter.
That's a goat. Life is a filter. No, that's how you break the jet. Bashment Barbie, and you're a hot girl too, you know. Can't believe you don't try Lady Bee Mixology.
Like, I don't think Bashment Barbie lives here in Jamaica. She lives abroad.
I think she's Trini.
No.
Bashment Barbie?
From New York.
I don't know, but she's a bashment. She breaks a jet.
She definitely breaks
a jet. She definitely breaks a jet.
So anyway, what else do you have to report for us?
Nothing.
Oh, I ran out of Vagisil wash today.
Lady B says she's going to do more pop-ups more often. You still using Vagisil?
How do you mean?
Girl, you need to get yourself a local brand. So there was a brand that we had on the show which I actually do like.
I actually had local brands.
What's it called? I Love Pum Pum? What's it called?
I Love Me Too.
You sure?
Yeah.
So it's really nice, very gentle.
I had a Vagisil, so I had to finish it.
I just find Vagisil a little harsh.
You did?
Yeah.
With my pum pum never rough up.
Hey, well, your pum pum tough. I Love Me Too? Is that what it's called? Yes, I Love Me Too, and I love my Kitty Cleanse.
Yeah.
I love my Kitty Cleanse. So, yes.
So anyways, lots going on, and I just want to bring up the pictures of Rihanna that when she was stepping out from like a studio or whatever.
Oh, I never saw those.
You didn't see those pictures?
Mm-mm.
Queen is alive and
Your friend is here.
Who? Which one?
Davina Bennett.
As I said, Queen
is
alive
here.
and well. Hello.
I love Rihanna, and Rihanna made a statement the other day. So somebody was questioning, they're like, oh, you gave up on music? And she's like, I could never give up on music. Music is the secret language, or the language that I use to connect to everybody. And, you know, how could I leave my pen pals out? And just the way she put it, and the little lingos that she used to connect to their fans. And I really so sometimes people need to rest, you know. Other than you think it's just sitting down in a studio and singing a song, or what rhymes with player? You say up? It's not, you know, it's not that. It's not, there's so much more to it. And sometimes I hear Sean in meetings and I'm like, oh, I never thought of that. And then you do this whole thing and you do your video and you put out your song, and then
is this a long breast?
No. All you would do though is you just make it a little higher.
What do you mean? Like are my tits sagging?
No.
I mean, I barely have tits. Are my little...
No, so we just did. Yeah, so as I was saying, and just the things that go into it, and then when you put out your stuff to the world, like you just, sometimes there's just so much. It's like, you know, when you have the... Wait, I'm not done.
Whoa!
Hold on, wait. Hold on now. We're just going to create a little cleavage.
Whoa, that is... Well, I feel like you just made like my boobs look like two big circles.
Let me see. There, that's higher. Wait, hold on. One second. There we go, we have height. You look like you have an infinity there. Infinity boob.
I don't know if I like that. I feel like I have extra straps on.
It's like la.
Is this okay?
I mean, I would like powder it down a little.
No bother powder nothing.
Alright, leave it?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, no problem.
I don't think that was the right method.
Well, it's distracting from the longness here. So the people are like, what's that? It's like, it's not long boob.
Anyway, Stevie looked so cute this morning. I finally got...
such a sweetie.
She really is though.
She look like you, you know?
She does, eh? She's changing. She's looking more like me. Actually, I think she looks like you.
I don't.
You don't?
I don't see it and it makes me upset.
She looks like you though,
I don't see it, and then when she sees me, she cuts her eye at me until I offer her Lasco. If I offer Stevie Lasco, she starts smiling at me. If I'm like, oh, wait, she's just like this, staring at me.
Yeah, but I mean... You know, you don't visit very often. The once a week thing now work. She's probably vexed at you for that.
Yeah, because you used to bring her here on a Tuesday, but then you're like, oh, she doesn't like coming over to your house because it's too action-packed.
No, Jodi's house is like forever noisy. I mean, you guys can hear it. Thank God Construction Tuesdays is gone, but something is happening out there. I feel like there's a lion roaring.
It's thunder. It's God. I have nothing to do with the thunder.
I don't know. Oh, Lady B, you've done it again. Cheers. What a day. Oh, gosh. What am I cooking for dinner? Oh, burgers.
Okay, wonderful.
Doing handmade burgers.
Burgers, okay. Burger.
Well, I'm running out of things in the freezer because I have not been to the supermarket since like the dawn of day.
Why? But yes, now that you have a nanny, why have when it's Antoinette's Day, why don't go to the supermarket?
Well, last week I didn't go to the supermarket because I went to go burn my moles off. So you know I had to budget. It was either
food or burning off your moles.
And burning off my moles.
I'm so excited Tracy finally burnt off her moles. Now she can stop complaining about them.
Yeah. I love my dermatologist too.
Who did it for you?
Dr. Stephanie Matthews at Fossa.
Okay, okay. I've been to her too. I've taken Levi to her.
You follow fashion?
I went to her first.
Yeah, that's because your skin bad. It's true. I've never had to go to her before. But I loved her. I loved going into the Fossa location. I love Dr. Stephanie. Her stitching work was very good.
Yeah, I can see some stitches. But the only reason why I can see them is because like she used a fine thread. Is she gonna pull them out or they deserve?
On October 6th.
Okay, okay, okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
So
somebody's asking when did you get a nanny? She's had a nanny what, like 2 weeks now?
2 weeks.
Tracy, you look good. And she was, don't make her feel bad. She already came on. She's like, I feel so bad handing off my child to somebody else. And I had to keep telling Tracy that you cannot pour from an empty jug.
I know.
Okay?
I know.
So fill your jug with some Lady Bee Mixology, preferably the Just Peachy Passion. Okay, I'm going to put this at number 2.
That's number 2?
Yeah.
I think this is my number 1 this time.
Because that is my favorite, the grapefruit rosemary mix. Let me taste that one.
Well, you put it in the freezer so it's not bubbly. You can't put beer in the freezer.
Yeah, but it never froze.
It froze.
Oh, that's nice.
That's nice.
That's nice.
This is nice.
Yeah. That Lady Bee. But that's my favorite flavor. The grapefruit rosemary. Make sure you ask for it. Wow. Woo. 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 I met Antoinette. And she's very sweet.
She's lovely. She's so and Stevie loves her, you see?
Stevie does love her. I kind of felt away when she looked over at Antoinette like, hey, save me from this mad aunt.
Stevie loves Miss Rose too. Miss
Sure.
Rose full of action.
Miss Rose full of action. My gosh, man. Whenever I go over there, Miss Rose chat me out, but she brings me callaloo.
Yes.
So I love Miss Rose.
The neighbors at her house have been giving her a warm time though.
Oh, yeah, she was telling me. Alright, guys. What else can we discuss?
I was thinking that like I need to do something else with my hair. Like I'm kind of struggling a bit with my hair because like, you know, brushing my hair every day is a bit of a struggle for me, especially with Stevie, and it's curly.
So why you don't put back in the keratin for a little while?
Because my hair doesn't come back from the keratin like how yours comes back. Remember, my curls aren't strong like yours. Right, so if I keratin it, it's straight. And I was thinking, like, I don't know if I want to, like, have straight
somebody
hair.
says, Anya says she's getting treatment from Ramona and she's getting better and she wants to say a big thank you for having Ramona on the show.
Oh, I'm so glad to hear that. I'm so glad to hear that we were able to link you and Ramona together. And I'm so glad to hear that you are getting better and the treatment has been working.
Yeah.
You know, I really love Ramona.
Yeah.
She's such a sweetie.
She's so sweet. I love how she calls me goddess. I'm like,
yeah. I know.
That's right. Better recognize.
No,
why can't Sean call me that too? And Sean be like, what now, Jodi? What? Oh boy. Jodi, have you ever bring your kids to daycare? And if so, how do you feel? So the first time I dropped off Levi at daycare, he was 18 months. And I cried. No, Sean cried. Sorry.
Didn't cry. She dropped him off, and then I think I might have the videos. Then she went next door into the lot next door and stayed in the lot next door with binoculars and spied on Levi the whole entire day. That's what she did.
It's okay. He was fine. He was very good. Sean got a little emotional during the drop off, but Sean didn't realize I was going to drop him back home and head back. I was just ensuring, you know, I wanted to, and the teachers knew I was there to, you know, stay Auntie Stephen here. And then those were the days when I could actually be in the school, but I was like, oh, I don't want to overstep, you know, and they were just like, look at her, damn idiot, make her stay over there.
But you used to go into the classroom and read the children's stories.
Yes, the kids used to love me.
Because Jodi used to be a teacher.
I used to be a teacher, so I really liked to just, you know, get my little top up. So I would go in and I'd read a story. Or one time I had Auntie Canna's class and I gave all the kids glue on their hand and we had to make it dry, and then who could peel off the perfect glue handprint one.
Oh wow.
Yeah, Auntie Canna was the size. if they ever rub it on their clothes, all the kids were like, wow, we get glue! I was just standing there, I'm just waiting so you can tell the mother why she do whatever, have glue all over. And I was like, no, they're not gonna do that, no. We got good glue handprints. Dropping off Remy, those who watch my stories, you could see like the night before I was very emotional. I read a little story and I kind of teared up. She went at 17 months and it's hard, but I saw them at home where they had developed and, you know, they needed to go out and not only socialize, but learn something more than, you know, being at home all day, you know, following behind Miss Arlene. It was when Levi started pick up the room about sweep behind Miss Arlene. Sean was like, you think there's like maybe a school for him or something? So
Remy better learn how to sweep.
Remy mop.
Remy likes to mop. She's very clean though.
Yes, she is.
Unlike Levi.
Well, Remy likes to be dirty, but to clean. Yeah. Did you see her foot bottom? I was like, how can you sleep with a foot bottom like that? I have to wash my feet before I go to bed, you know?
Definitely.
My dirty foot can't go in the bed.
Nope. That's why it's so hard for me to sleep with Scott.
Why? Because he's a dirty foot?
No, he's not. Actually, Scott and I have this fight all the time. Who's cleaner? He's a cutie guy, my Scott.
Okay.
Today he looked good. He was heading off to work. He had on his suit.
Oh, I love when Scott wears a suit.
Looks so
I like when all
good.
guys wears a suit. I think guys look like when you have on a uniform. It doesn't matter like what type.
I know.
And so it's ironed with the starch.
So when we went to go get our vaccine on Sunday, you know the army guys are there. I was like,
direct me, sir. I'm last.
Oh no! I was like, Scott, you would look so good in that uniform.
Why? No man, the soldier man them look nice.
Yeah,
not going to lie at all.
They look really nice.
So go this way. Sorry, what?
Can you just point there with
me?
Where,
can you help me? My knees are hurting. You just walk me over.
Oh God, I know.
Somebody's asking, what does Scott do for work?
Scott is a funeral director.
When you're having that fine ass doctor back, crush on you.
Is that Chris?
Yeah, of course. Well, I find everybody that we've had on the show is good looking.
Yeah, I find so too. Oh my gosh, we were supposed to have somebody on this week. I totally forgot to set it up. Who was it again?
I don't know.
Rasta Judge.
Oh boy.
Baby brain, you know.
This is what happens when you have this misfit here as a program manager. Do we have any food for this week?
No, nobody has
I want more of that gelato. I'm not gonna lie, that gelato was so good.
I'm trying to lose some weight.
No man,
geez, I would eat that gelato just to make myself feel good.
No man, that gelato was really, really good. Infinity gelato, no man, she shot.
You know, somebody sent me some double stuffed Oreos.
Nobody sent them to you, Tracy.
Yes,
Mail pack sent them to you. So she now has been craving double stuffed Oreos. Can't find them anywhere, to the point where this lady messages what the lady did? She messaged mommy on her phone. So go, hi Nandi, you don't know me, but I follow Tracy, and she says she's been having a difficult time finding double stuffed Oreos. I'm seeing them here at such and such. She go on Amazon and buy a case of double stuffed Oreos.
I didn't buy these for myself.
Tracy, you must have bought them for yourself.
No, a friend sent them to me.
You're such a liar.
I am not lying.
So look on the box and see who it's from.
I'm not lying. How do you see where it's from?
This is from Amazon Fulfillment. Do not miss out. Oh, they're pretty heavy, eh? This is Jodi Henriquez. Oh, they're to me actually. I can't see where it's from.
Let me just taste one. Let me just see if it's foreign.
It doesn't say who it's from.
No, it doesn't. But there.
Tracy,
what?
You have me looking for who it's from and you ordered it?
I didn't order it. I promise you, a friend sent them. I didn't order it.
It comes with no invoice or anything. People are gonna know so them can poison you. You just pick up things out of the box so you never order and eating it.
It's alright.
No, I'm gonna finish my Lady Bee.
If my belly run, thank you, come lose 2 pounds.
I want more of that Infinity gelato.
Yeah.
Where is the best place to find a wedding outfit in Kingston? I can't find anything in my bay.
Like an outfit, are you attending or you need a bridal gown? Because I have lots of places for bridal gowns.
I have places for what you call it, attending. What's the dress code? Girl, what you want? Tell me what you want. What you want?
You should check Modish, first of all.
They do have a formal wear rack, but I kind of stayed away from that because I didn't want to come on here.
But this would even be nice at a beach wedding.
At a beach wedding, you have to be careful. Price Mart sell that by the big box, not the double stuffed.
But I didn't buy it for myself. A friend sent me.
Tracy, you bought it yourself.
No, I
did. Yes, you did.
didn't.
You know how long Tracy want double stuffed Oreos? Tracy just said she's trying to lose weight and is eating the Oreos. I want to lose weight. Lord of mercy.
Oh.
She's a guest. And what is the dress code? Am I saying Renique? What's the dress code?
Well, I mean,
no code really. So no code really, then I would suggest that you go for semi-formal to, well, not formal, but semi-formal.
Will I find this dress you could wear?
No, I wouldn't wear that if there's no dress code and the whole of your side is out.
Well, you just put on some nice big
What
earrings.
if it's not outside? Is it outside or is it inside?
I feel like if you put on some big earrings and you did some jewelry, it would look really nice. Like,
it would look really nice, you know, Trey. But then if there was a beach wedding, let's find out where it is. Regular formal wear, she says. Okay, this is not
this is not formal wear. This is definitely.
So Modish does have a formal wear rack.
What are you looking for?
You know what things I have a calendar?
So what happened to me?
Are you going to a wedding?
No. Who is this going to a wedding? It is locked down.
It's not locked down. You can have 50 people at a wedding. Suppose it's our best friend. It's 50 people.
50?
Yes.
It's 50.
It's 50 people.
50.
50.
Oh, I didn't realize you could have 50 people.
I am older.
Oh. I mean,
Really? Oh.
I don't know what she says. I am older. But like I'm supposed to like be like, oh, so you pop down? No, girl, you don't pop down. Yeah.
Can you guys do a dating show? What do you mean? Like we get to set people.
I have people I would love to set up.
Yeah?
Yeah. I have with this one guy. He is so sweet. I don't know how he doesn't have a girlfriend, you know, Joe.
Who?
You don't
even know his name?
Yes, I remember now. I don't think you know him.
You're making up people? How do you know somebody that I don't know?
I know him.
No, you don't know
him.
No, you don't.
Him.
No, you
yes,
don't.
I do know him.
Tracy, if I don't know him, how do you know him?
You know his face if you see him. You know his face, and he's very, and he can cook. He can cook, Joe, and he has his own house, and it has a backyard.
How do you know all of this?
Because we were sitting down talking, because he's friends with one of my close friends, Lindsay. Right? And so that's how I know him, because I see him a lot of times when I'm hanging out with Lindsay.
Woo!
So
We still need a Lady Bee Mixology song. Lady Bee Mixology, make me feel all twingly. I love the tequila and the
margarita.
I like it. Nice one. Okay. Oh.
I just did something nice over here.
A man that can cook is a keeper. That is correct.
Scott can cook.
I'm just gonna stay out of this argument because I'm gonna get myself in trouble again later. Although I do like being in trouble with Sean. Jodi? Yes, Sean, what happened? Come here. Did you post this? No.
Scott doesn't even go on Instagram.
I don't know. No, but the thing is, it doesn't matter what I post. People are like, hey Sean, look at your wife. I'm like, why are people sending you that? Like honestly? Hey, oh my gosh, Sean, so Jodi was doing this today.
Whoa. Do you get reports like that?
No, but I can look in his phone. His text is like big like this. And he just sits there with it. And I'm like, yeah. I'm like, Sean, really? That's what is being reported? I'm like, wow. I was like, tell her to go make some dinner for her husband and leave me alone.
If she have a husband.
What is meaning of Jodi? My name? It means out of the box, gives a lot of trouble, and dresses like a sketiel.
Like, why would they even have regular Oreos? Like, they should just done with that.
I know. Like, you shouldn't be able to see the Oreo on the Oreo. It has to, like, have filling in there. Yeah. Yeah, that's Lady Bee Mixology. What you said the last time?
Lion.
It's a lion. My lion. I have lions outside. You know, it's
like Dubai over here.
Yes, we have lions and tigers and such outside. Wako, come! That's the name of my lion.
Where's Remy? She doing like thunder, you know?
She probably hugging up Gracie. Thunder, Gracie. Thunder, Gracie.
No, she loves it, Gracie, so much. It's so cute. And Gracie loves it too, you know.
I know, like, the time. So when Gracie went off, she was off for a little while, and Gracie came back. So it was story time now, you know. So Remy looks at me, she's like, no, Gracie bathed me. So I was like, okay, fine. So after the bath time now, I go in the room and I'm like, story time. And she looks like, no, Gracie story time. Here, Gracie, no? Bye, Auntie Jodi. I was like, yeah, them told them run me good and proper. I was like, my heart. Anyway, as long as them love each other, that's fine.
I know. That's the best thing. That's the best thing.
You know what really, like, made my heart smile this morning? I know, it was so sweet. So Levi was like, oh, my nose is itching, my nose. And Miss Arlene came and she touched his nose and she started to pray over him. Yeah, and I looked and she was there, she said, dear Lord Jesus. And she was there saying a prayer like she never business about what was happening. Everything have to stop. She had pray over Levi. And it's not the first time I've seen her do it and I loved it.
That's really cute.
I know, yeah.
That's really cute.
Or if I'm like, Miss Arlene cussed me off one day. I was like, something like, you see, if you keep doing that, your hand going to fall off. And Miss Arlene said, in the name of Jesus, that will never happen. No arms are going to fall off in this house today. Auntie Jodi, don't be like that. You mustn't speak word. You must. That's what she said. There's power in the tongue, and I'm like, sorry, Miss Arlene. So yes, so there's power in the tongue. Don't say that. In the name of Jesus, no arms falling off today. And I'm like, correct. No arms falling off. No arms falling off.
Not today, not tomorrow, not ever.
Amen.
So anyway. Like, you know, I haven't drank in a really long time. I mean, every Tuesday I have one liquor cider, but like, I really want to just get blackout drunk.
Me too.
Like, I want to get blackout drunk. I want to do wild things. I want to wake up in the morning and be like, oh my God.
I have regrets. I'll be like, oh
yes,
God, I wish I never drank again.
Yes, I want to have drunken regrets.
Where you're hugging up the toilet and you're like, this is so nasty, but I need this toilet right now.
Yeah.
Me too.
I just want to dance. I want to dance and not feel like, oh God, I don't know how to dance. I want to dance and feel like, yeah,
I am the best dancer. Me name Kiva.
I want to be booty popping.
Yeah.
Booty popping.
And the next morning, everybody's like, yo, did you know you did this? No, I didn't know. Hi. So, that's not true saucy sass.
Saucy.
Reminding everybody again, our outfits are from Modish Boutique and they're shop number 1 at the Shoppies of Southdale.
Yeah.
And you need to go check it out. Go check it out why it's called the Shoppies. You'll see exactly why I'm pronouncing it the Shoppies.
Yeah, they do have formal wear there to answer.
Well, somebody wants to know if it's your boobs.
Oh, you just logged on. So
yeah, you see, no, don't tell her. Don't tell her. Go over to YouTube and you will see. Head on over to YouTube and you'll find out Tracy has a little mini augmentation on the show today.
Look how this...
That's going to take so long.
Look how this breast is full and this breast not so full.
That won't have the milk. Cher Gooden is asking if I can straighten my hair one day on a Tuesday during the show. It's going to be too loud and it's going to take very long.
It takes more than an hour to do that head of hair.
My hair is long, you know. Who was helping me? Excuse me. I was looking for a nice hair oil. I was talking about my scalp. And
what is that?
Jolie Flair. So this is...
There's twigs in there.
It's something to make your hair grow.
Like what? What kind of twig is that?
So I just want to big up Chiny K. This is her hair oil and I did find it there because I was like, it's gonna be so hard to find. Oh shoot. My phone needs to charge. Sorry guys.
What kind of thing is this? It is organic orange and almond
sorry guys
oil for longer and stronger hair.
Sorry, my phone wasn't charging. There, Lord.
I wonder if you rub it on your leg, if your leg hair would get longer and stronger.
Tracy, you always talk about you have too much leg hair, and now you want to rub it on your leg hair?
No, I wouldn't. Like, I would never rub it on my leg hair. But like, if it's for hair growth, does it work for all type of growth and all type of hair?
I'm sure. So I messaged her and I was like, will my hair be my body by Christmas? And she was like, where it reach now? I was like, you're really taking on my conversation? Chiny pop girl, yes, Chiny K pop girl.
Well, can I have it?
No! And they said it was hard to find and I found it.
But you didn't even buy one for me. What kind of selfishness
what do you
is that?
mean, Tracy? Alright, okay.
What do I mean?
Okay.
I mean, you didn't buy one for me.
Okay.
Thank you, Chiny Pop. So will my hair be my body by Christmas?
No, you still have a way to go.
What do you mean? At least you don't bad man.
It's in Fontana. Yes, I got it. You see, but I'm going to tell him now and everybody's going to go get it and then now my hair won't be my bottom.
You will be able to go to Fontana tomorrow and get it. I can't do that. I have supermarkets to do tomorrow.
So it's only one. Maybe you have to take off the arm.
I can only do one thing at a time because remember I have a child.
Oh, this is a I find I have 2 children and I can go to Fontana.
I have to breastfeed. So I only have an hour and a half gap.
Okay, fine. There's a cover in there for you to take off. Jeez.
So I don't understand why you put twigs in there though.
Because the twigs are what make your hair grow. It's seeping out the growth thing. It's made in India. So you know it's going to make your hair get very, very long. Okay? Because everybody in India has very, very long hair. Have you ever seen an Indian lady with a short bob? No, I don't think so.
Well, I need this. Thank you for buying this for me because I need it. You know why? Because I just had the baby.
Yeah.
And so I need it for my hair. It says, for scalp, apply liberally to scalp and gently massage 2 to 3 times a week. Before shampooing, apply to scalp and hair for 30 minutes. Oil can be used as an overnight treatment or hot oil treatment. I feel like when I spoke about it was in my in my hygiene video over on YouTube. You can check it out. It's called my hygiene video. And I was like, oh, my scalp. And everybody seemed to know about this Joli Flare oil, except me. And I was, and then Chiny links me, she's like, oh, it might be unavailable. And I'm like, sold out. I'm like, what the hell? Where does everybody get this oil from? And I went in there and I was like, that's but how does Chiny hair look?
Her hair is very curly and it's a lot of hair and it could be long if she straightened it, but it's like in a, an afro. Mm-hmm. But very like a big afro because it's long.
But she's Chiny.
But she's Chiny pop, K, girl.
So she's not Chinese?
She's pop K, as well. She's Chinese mix.
Oh, she's Chinese pop K. Oh,
right. The pop K has something to do with the.
Okay, so the Chiny makes Chiny, then the pop makes it cool and funky, and then the K is like super up to date. Love it. Love it.
She won the social experiment on the Social House. Who will rule the Social House? She won the Social House because
still haven't watched it.
You still haven't watched it? Well, I must tell you that the other reality show was such a big disappointment.
Can we watch it?
Half Chiny. Her mom is Chiny. That means she has really nice legs.
Oh my gosh, hate her already.
Chinese people have nice legs.
The best.
But you want to have like Chinese legs and like black booty.
Dude, what a mix.
Yep, that's how you. Yeah.
What a mix.
The cow tongue bit had me weak. Oh yeah, they had to eat like raw things and stuff. Oh, I don't know if I would have managed. Oh yes, she devoured her. Yes. You guys need to have her on the show. Let's have her on the show and have her oil our scalp.
Okay. I would like a nice oil scalp.
Yeah? Yeah?
I'm hungry though, man.
And you're just mashing up those Oreos.
I need to stop.
Oh.
I need to stop. I'm gonna stop. I just need to get some food.
Yeah, okay, well that's not food, so stop.
Okay. Remember when we used to get food on the show?
Chinese legs are short. Have you ever seen how they Photoshop models with the long legs? Just leave. Yeah, but they're shaped good. So they're proportionate. You see Chinese people are short, so they have short legs. You don't see them with short legs, and then like Tyra Banks'
torso. But they're short, sexy legs.
And them shape good. Them have calves.
Sassy's asking if you ever played Matchmaker. I played Matchmaker. Every time I play Matchmaker, it works out.
I played Matchmaker a couple of times.
With who?
You.
It did not work out.
The maiden.
Oh my god.
Yo, I was so drunk, so I walked up to this guy and I was like, so I wanted to ask him if he was single. But I didn't want him to think that I was asking for me. But I never thought this through.
This is when I was single. Okay, we used to do some stupidness.
So I walked up to him and I was like, hey, what's up? How are you doing? He said, hey, how are you? I was like,
that voice.
I was like, so, I said, yes. I was like, do you have a young maiden in your life? He's like, a maiden? I was like, great. No Peter Pan over here thinks I'm like Maid Marion. Like, I didn't know what to say. I was like, a young maiden. Yeah. They dated though, so he didn't have a maiden, and then, you know, yeah.
Yeah.
Anyway, I tried a couple times.
On me?
Yeah, but what was I supposed to do? Set up myself with who?
I just find I set you up with somebody and it's lasted.
Okay, well then since you're foolproof, then why don't you set up yourself?
I did.
Okay, good for you.
I did.
No more maidening for you.
No. Now I'm a, what is it?
When you're not a maiden, you're a matron.
Oh my god.
Hi Kim, happy belated birthday. Oh, before we go, I just wanted to bring some awareness to the young lady in Miami who is missing. Maya.
No, I can't talk about this.
There is a video now circulating. It's really sad. If you've seen the photo, which is in heavy circulation, I posted it on my stories. I'll repost it again. She was in the Florida area, and there was some foul play in her apartment. And the young man in question actually was found dead. It's a crazy story, and it hits close to home because she's like within our Caribbean community, and her dad is a DJ, a soca DJ at that time. I'm getting goosebumps. And
who's her daddy?
Her dad, I can't remember his name, but he's a DJ, and he plays on one of the trucks. So, you know, she was
so tiny. No,
yeah.
She was 4'9".
Really?
Yeah, she was a tiny girl.
So this one just hits close to home. So guys, just keep a lookout. You know, she's one of ours. So let's just, you know, pass around the picture. You know, if we hear anything, you think anything strange, you know, maybe what may seem like something little information to you
could be the missing piece of the puzzle.
Exactly. Yeah. All right. So I would just like to offer prayers to her family. You know, when the live is over, let's just say,
DJ
you know,
Eternal Vibes is her dad. Oh wow.
So you know, when the live is over, guys, let's just offer like a little word of prayer. I should have my prayer warrior, Miss Arlene.
I know.
I just offer a little prayer for her and her family, a big prayer, because I can't imagine what he's going through. He posted a picture.
I don't want to
and
imagine.
his caption was just heartbreaking.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, all right.
I can't.
So if you have any information, even it's little big, just please give a call. Orlando UCF. She was from UCF is a college.
School, it's a school,
okay.
Yeah.
All right, offering some.
Your Airwick thing is lasting really long.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Mine is still going strong too.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
How many days is that though?
Ooh, it must be a month. Is it?
A month since we've had Airwick on the show?
Yeah.
Okay. Because you know why? Because in here is not Frowsy, because it's my closet.
Yeah.
Well, I share it with Frowsy Sean over there. But actually, no, he's been very good at keeping his side of the closet clean.
I just find Sean never smells bad.
Because he smells like weed.
Oh. I like it. I like it.
Tricky, where is your canvas from? It's a gift.
Yes, it's a gift. A friend bought it for me. One of my friends, Saucy Sass, she bought this for me, and I'm really appreciative.
Where are you gonna put it?
I'm no idea.
What about when you walk in the wall on the right?
Yes, I'll put it there. I think I might get it framed too.
Oh, that would be nice.
Yeah. So my girlfriend Saucy bought it for me. She's been so sweet to me, you know. just did a little post on my Instagram today of Stevie. She's 4 months old, and you know, some people have really been, actually everybody, not some people, like everybody has been so sweet to me with the birth of my child, Stevie. Everybody's been really loving towards Stevie. She must be the world's most loved little baby ever. And so everybody's just had such lovely words of kindness for me, and I'm so grateful, because this has not been a walk in the park for me. Like, it's been a little bit of a struggle, you know, just accepting my new role as a mom. Who am I?
Your lopsided boobs.
My lopsided boobs.
I joke, they're not lopsided. Only no, because you just had a little augmentation on the show.
I know. It's just been a lot, and you know, I've had a lot to compare myself to, which is my sister. And although I never want to be Jodi or have Jodi's life, there are things that I do hold as a certain standard, and it's usually things that Jodi does, you know, like that's the epitome of the standard. And
like what?
like just like, you know,
Read stories?
like, yeah, like I think
read
you're a good
stories too.
mom. So, you know, would like to think of myself as like a good fun time mom as you. Like, my mommy was a good mommy too. I want to be
Yeah.
a good mommy, and I hold myself very high. And you know, I've had to also,
Your voice is breaking. Are you about to cry?
no,
Oh.
I'm not gonna cry. I've also had to just realize that it's good to have influences such as you and mom, but I'm gonna have to do things that suit me as well. And I think the expectations that I had of myself and of Stevie, like, I've had to drop them and realize, okay, Stevie's not rolling over and she's 4 months. It's okay. Like, it's okay. She just doesn't want to roll over. She just doesn't want to roll. Okay, Stevie's not taking formula. It's okay. She just doesn't like the formula. It's gonna be fine. Like, she's gonna just have to have some tit, and you know. And I think that, you know, I've put a lot of high expectations on myself that's really made me anxious and stressed me out, and made me feel in some cases that I haven't been performing well. And I just need to remind myself and remember that I'm doing a good job. So every time I read those messages that you guys send into my little inbox, my Instagram, I do try and clear through. It is a lot. I do try and clear through. And every time I read a message and it says, Trey, you're such a good mom, you're doing a good job, it really does mean something to me. It doesn't go unnoticed, and it's not something that I think, oh God, just want something to say. Like, I really take it in. I do, yeah.
You're doing a great job, Trey. And although you may see somebody, use them maybe as an example or as something that you would like to aspire to, but don't think that because I'm such an amazing mom that you're not one too. Or just because you're not fulfilling what you think you should be fulfilling by my standards does not mean that you're not doing an amazing job, because you are.
Thank you.
You know what I mean?
And I think that, yeah, just going back to what I just said, like, that's hard. We put these standards on ourselves. Like, you know, what I have to give is not going to be the same as you have to give. You know, like, my living situation isn't the same as your living situation. So I've had to do different things than you have, you know, and I think that's been a little bit.
You just want Miss Gracie, don't you?
Yeah. Yeah. I just want Gracie.
No, Remy will not let anybody have Gracie.
No, she loves her Gracie. She loves her Gracie.
So I guess that was your little Tricky's corner.
Yeah.
And guys, I've said this before. Let's say it again, or let me say it again. Comparison is the thief of all joy.
It really and truly is.
So I do appreciate when I get the messages too about being an amazing mom. I don't think they go unnoticed. No, but thank you. But thank you so much. You know, everybody writes me and tells me, you know, because I'm a social media influencer. Everybody's telling me.
Are you a social media influencer?
Yeah, everybody's telling me.
Okay.
So,
okay,
you know, I thank you. But
okay.
as you know, as I said, it's comparison is a thief of all joy. You know,
It is.
And don't worry about it. Like, I have moms messaging me, oh, this is not happening, as you said, the rolling over, the this, the that. And I remember a friend of mine would every minute, what age did Remy do this? At what age did you do that? And I make my girl stop stress out, you know? She don't want to roll over. She don't want to eat a yucky cereal when you're giving her. I was like, have you tasted that cereal? It's nasty. Leave her alone. Mash up some banana. Leave the child alone. Oh, well, she's holding on, but she's not walking. Leave her. You think she's going to get to high school and be like, Mom, I'm still holding on. Leave her. Sometimes we expect so much of these little babies, and little babies are looking at her like, look, why this idiot again, I cry, come in and eat cereal.
That's
That cereal is so gross, that rice cereal. I'm not gonna lie.
I like it.
It's Tracy, it's like you mix it with breast milk.
I know, I haven't done anything. My doctor, Dr. Natalie, she said don't start not until about 5-6 months.
That rice cereal, when I mixed it with the formula, Tracy, it was like you take like a meal pack Amazon box and you crush it with a little water and you're like, here, have some cardboard. You like cardboard flavor?
Yes, I do. I do like cardboard. That's why I used to be skinnier. Remember when I was skinny? Pure oats I used to eat.
Yes, a bare cardboard you used to eat.
I used to eat lots of that. But geez, I was so skinny and sexy.
Cardboard
and you know
body.
And you know what really sucks is that you don't appreciate how you look at the time.
It's
because
true.
I look back at those pictures now and I'm like, damn, I was hot. And
It's
in
true.
those moments, I remember thinking, I'm insecure. I feel like
I'm
fat.
I would do anything now for the body that I just took advantage, like, not took advantage.
2014, that's the body that I would go back to.
When you wore that big thing on your pum pum?
No, when I had to get the costume off of the mannequin because they didn't make a costume for me. So I stepped into them and they were like, choose any costume.
And you took the one off the mannequin?
Well, it was only mannequins. You don't remember when Dean came for me? I know he was like, oh, we're so sorry we didn't make your costume. And so he's like, pick any mannequin costume.
Yeah.
And I fit the costume on the mannequin.
Okay, girl. Okay.
Don't talk to me.
Okay.
Don't talk to my 2014 self.
Mod-
That was the year that Shannon came with us and the monsters came out.
Oh yes, my body did sort out then too, you know.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, the monsters came out. Yes. Oh Lord, that is a story in itself. Anyway, guys, that is it for another episode of Tuesdays with Tricky. We will see you next week because I don't want to get cut off and the live don't save. Remember, you can always check us out over on our YouTube channel where this show will be uploaded in about an hour. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and make sure you drop a comment and tell us what would you like to see us cover, talk about, or if you want the sexy doctor back on the show.
Yay! Alright guys, thank you so much.
Bye.
Go to Modish, check out what they have.
But not with the boobs.
A fresh breast augmentation.
Yes, girl. Show it off.